Hello, welcome students. Good afternoon. Here Sonu sir with a new video of class 6th English, and in that students we are taking chapter 11 which is a poem, that is I saw a new world. I saw a new world, and which is written by an English poet, which is composed by an English poet, that is William Brighty Rands. William Brighty Rands. So students, in previous video we have discussed about two stanzas of this poem, and we have been concluded that poem seems to be failure, seems to be harder situation and feeling harder in that situation where both men are of similar faces, and in his dream he is in a new world where all the people who live there are of same and similar faces. We can say same faces, and there were no any child or children, there were no any women, only the men were there, and the men who were there of same faces. So this was a unique concept, a unique ideology of poet which is shown in this poem. As we know, this is not can be happen in real life, but in imagination, in a dream, it can be happen, it can be thought. Like that, William Brighty Rands, who is a poet, basically writes the poems of children, and basically wrote the poem of children. So in this poem, I saw a new world. He wants to explain about the imagination of his dream, and in that he sees same faces of a man where he sees that there would be no praise, there would be no blame, there would be no help, no any demand of help, and there was nothing fit or unfit, because all the things were same, all the people were same, the qualities, the properties, the merits and demerits of them are same. So combats and challenges are not there. So this situation is kind of neutrality. This situation is kind of the progression of a thing which is shown in this poem. So now students, we have completed two stanzas in previous video. Now we are moving about this poem, and today our third stanza of this poem, and this is: nobody laughed, nobody wept. Nobody laughed, nobody wept. Sorry, friends. Nobody laughed. What is laughed? You see the meaning of that, that means hasa. Yeah, haste three. So nobody laughed and nobody wept. Wept means rotated. So why this situation is there? Because no one is having different, either in face, either in quality, tone, language, anything. So there will be not any challenge. So that is why, if there would be not any kind of challenge or conflicts, so there would be not any kind of laugh and weep, cry and happiness and humors and pathos. This all things would not be there, because there is no challenge. The things which people do, the competitions which people do is created the challenge and combats, in that people used to cry, used to fight, used to laugh, used to weep. But if there is similarity, if there is common thing in faces, in working, in looking, in all things, so there would not be any kind of conflict, there would not be any kind of challenge, there would not be any kind of dissimilarity, and that is why, students, there is no laugh and there is no weep, there is no cry and there is no happiness, there is no sorrow at the same time, and there is no happiness in that new world, because there is no diversity. There all the people are of same faces, so there is no diversity, not any kind of challenge for habitat, not any kind of combats for adaptation of the ecosystem or the survival. So students, nobody laughed, nobody wept. None grew weary. What is weary? W-E-A-R-Y. That is tired. So students, because there is not any kind of competition, there is not any kind of challenge or combat, so that is why there is not any kind of tiredness, there is not any kind of weariness, and so none slept. So as we know, all the men have similar faces, similar qualities, similar physics, similar strength, and same, all things are same, all the properties and qualities and habits are same. So there is no laugh and no weep, because there is no challenge and conflict, not any sorrow and happiness. There is not any kind of tiredness, because there is no work of competition. All are same, so they can distribute the resources and live easily. So there is not any kind of tiredness, any kind of exhaustness, any kind of sleep is not there. Nobody slept there, because if they are not working for a challenge, if there is not any aim or target or purpose, how can anyone do or does work hard? So that is why, if there is not any kind of work, there is not any kind of tiredness, any kind of laziness or any kind of sleep. So that is why any kind of rest. There was nobody born and nobody wed. So students, it was a unbelievable world in that all the men were of same age and were of same faces. Nobody was younger, nobody was elder, nobody was born, nobody was dead, and nobody was doing weddings. What is wed here, students? This word wed is short form of wedding. That wedding, shadi. So, because of the same faces, because of the same age, and because of the same, because of there is no diversity. So students, there was not any kind of newborn, there was not any kind of weddings which is celebrated there or performed or conducted there or happened there, and this world was a world of a living dead. Living dead. Living dead. जीते हुए मृत के समान. जीते हुए मृत के समान. So, poet wants to elaborate here, students, that the life without competition, the life without purpose and targets is not any life. That life is life like living dead. If there is not any kind of laugh, if there is not any kind of weeping and cry and conflict, if there is not any kind of tiredness, if there is not any kind of hard work, because of the lack of the hard work, there is not a proper sleep. So there is not anybody born, there is not any birth occurred there, and nobody has been wedded and engaged in wedding. So students, because of similarity, because of this similarity of men of same ages and same faces, from many ages and many times, there is not any kind of simple activities of human activities like laugh and cry and weep and tired and sleep and born of new child and dead of someone and wedding of someone and growth of a new generation, a new era. So this whole kind of activity which is common in our natural life was not there. It was a dream, and in that dream there was a new world. In that world there was similar faces, all the faces were same, and this whole type of activities which is occurring in this natural world was not there. So that is why he says that nobody laughed, nobody wept, none grew weary, and so none slept. There was nobody born, nobody wed. This world was a world of living dead. So students, we concluded this stanza. Now we move on next stanza, that is, I long to hear the time clock strike. Time clock strike. What is time clock strike? As we set the alarms, okay, to awake in the morning. So that time that alarm used to strike is bajna. That alarm used to strike on proper time which we have calculated for it. So students, because there was not any kind of challenge, combat and conflicts, so that is why the people of there were not in any kind of hurry, any kind of punctuality of time or punctuation of time. They were totally just being like a machine which had not any kind of competition. There was not any kind of enthusiasm which can do further for them, and they were not different and diverse with each other. That is why they were not striking hard, they were not doing all the work in appropriate time. So that is why there were not any kind of time clock strike. That means there was not any clock or time clock or alarm which was settled there, and the people of there were not following the time. So I long to hear the time clock strike. What is longed? Longed means waited. If you see the heading meaning, intezar kiya. So since he waited in that dream, he didn't listen any kind of clock strike. That people of there was not following the time, was not following the time, as they were not living in any kind of competition because of their similarity in the world where the people were all alike, because there was not any kind of clock strike or any kind of time clock strike, because the people of there were all alike. I hated same, I hated forever. So this same and this similarity is boring and is hated by poet. In this stanza, poet says, I hated same, I hated forever, because this same, this undiversed phenomena is there, which is forever, which is for, what is forever? What is forever? Hamesha ke liye, sada ke liye. If there is undiversed phenomena, if there is similar faces forever, so there would not any kind of any kind of enthusiasm, any kind of new things which have to be known. So that is why he hated same things, he hated similarity of there, he hated what is forever, what is which is there is permanent. It would not be changed, it would not diversed. So that is why he hated the all similarities and all same things which was there and which was forever. So that is why he says that I long to say neither or even never. So student, there is two words, neither, that is na to. If you see the Hindi meaning of neither, that is na to, and that is the second word never, that is kabhi nahi. So students, why these two words have been used here? If he says that neither, so if we live in a world the same faces, the world of same faces of the man, so we can use this word that I met neither him, neither neither him or neither her, because all are same. So we can't use this word neither. कहते हैं ना कि ना तो मैं उससे मिला ना तो उससे. I neither meet to him nor her. So we can't use this neither and nor, and this never word also we can't use that. I never want to meet him. If we see for that new word, I never want to meet him. But all the faces are same, so how can we say that I never want to meet him? Because if we meet anyone, we have to meet all, because all are the same faces and same faces. So students, these words neither and never, which is never used by poet because of the same word, and that is why poet says, nobody laughed, nobody wept, none grew weary, and so none slept. There was nobody born and nobody wed. This world was world of the living dead. So nobody laughed. There was no happiness because of similarity. Nobody wept because there was no sorrow. Nobody grew tired because of there was not any kind of competition and combat and challenge and conflicts in them. And there was nobody born because of the similar age and similar face. Nobody was in process and born. So, and nobody wed. So there was not any kind of wedding and marriage or marriages. This world was a world of living dead. That is why the living people of there are same as like living dead. And I longer to hear the time clock strike. So there was not any kind of clock and following of time, and there was not any alarms clock strike, because the people of there were not in living any kind of punctuality and punctuation. That is why there was not any kind of time clock strike. In the world where the people were all alike, and because the people are all alike, so nobody used to do punctuality and anything, because they are of same faces and same quality. So I hated same, I hated forever. What the same and similarity is there, the poet hated this, and I long to say neither or even never. So these two words, neither and never, it wasn't used by poet because of their similarity, because of their situation, and very interesting words and very interesting stanzas are used here. So students, we have covered today 2 stanzas of this poem. Now we have completed 4 stanzas of this poem. In next video we will read further 2 stanzas. So in this video there is homework. You have to write a small summary of this poem and this stanza also. And if there is any query or question regarding this topic, you can ask on my WhatsApp number. Okay students, read more and more for better results in upcoming examinations. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you.